This video is sponsored by Squarespace, more about them later. The new year is finally here and it's finally time for the new Ikea 2026 collection. Yay! And they've already released a wave of exciting new products, from updated classics to totally new designs. There's just a lot happening at Ikea right now, and today we're going through all of it. But first, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mon and this is my dog Mars, and we love all things Ikea DIY and interior design. So before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell and hit that like button to never miss another video again. Now let's go! We're just kicking things off, starting with the most beautiful rattan pendant lampshade Ikea has released so far, and that is this new gorgeous hand-woven pendant lamp. I mean, just look at this beauty. Those beautifully crafted flower petals have such a vintage feel, yet it's giving chic, timeless, and just plain out of a designer store. Plus, don't let that unique shape fool you. This one comes in a flat package in a true Ikea spirit. It looks so good, and right from the start, 10 out of 10. Next up is this beautiful globe-like table lamp from the famous Solvinden collection, and this one is just such a fun little statement piece. I love how playful and modern it feels. The soft glow combined with the bold color instantly adds personality to any space. It's battery operated, so you can place it literally anywhere without worrying about outlets, which makes it perfect for shelves, side tables, or even styled outdoors. As I said, there are a lot of new lamps in the Solvinden collection again this year, and one of my favorite ones are these mesh lamps. These just look too cool. I mean, look at these funky colors and designs. These lamps come in 3 versions: the smaller one in neon green, a larger one in beautiful pink, and a really big one in bright yellow, each with a fun mesh texture that gives off the most playful glow. These are also battery operated and will bring energy to any corner of your home. One of the most exciting new drops at Ikea right now is the drop of the OMMJÄNGE collection. This is a collection that just came out in the Ikea US stores and is actually inspired by Swedish folklore and tradition, but translated into modern and colorful furniture that feels so fresh and fun and just totally unexpected. The first piece I just have to talk about is the OMMJÄNGE cabinet with scalloped doors. I mean, right off the start, this one looks so colorful and so funky. I just love where Ikea is going right now. This cabinet is giving full-on designer vibes. The bold pink and orange stain makes it a statement piece. It feels playful, artistic, and just too fun not to have in your home. Another cool find from this same collection is this cute little red stool. This little beauty is pure designer energy in miniature form. Those curvy sculptural lines just scream personality, and the pop of red pops off so nicely, it's basically impossible not to notice. It's just perfect for adding a touch of playful drama to your space. Another gorgeous statement piece from this collection is definitely this drop-leaf dining table, which is made out of pine. I mean, just look at the shape of this tabletop, plus the stained pine in blue just looks too beautiful. And the fact that it's drop-leaf and saves so much space, I just love it. There are also matching chairs in that same blue color that really looks interesting and will add a touch of Scandinavian tradition into your home for sure, especially if you like those bold blue shades. Now, before we continue with more new Ikea finds for 2026, I just have to tell you a bit about today's sponsor, Squarespace. If you've been thinking about starting a website for your business, a blog, or a portfolio, Squarespace is the place to go. Squarespace makes building websites and online stores just so incredibly easy. First up, their Blueprint AI feature is like having a personal design assistant. You just answer a few questions about your vision and goals, and it generates a fully customized website with premium content and design recommendations tailored specifically to you. It's honestly mind-blowing how good it is and how personalized it gets. Plus, every dream needs a domain, and Squarespace makes finding the perfect name for your business super simple with one fair, all-inclusive price and no hidden fees. And what I love most about Squarespace is that everything you need to manage and grow your website is built right in, including SEO tools to help you get discovered on search engines, which is so helpful. It's just so practical and packed with everything you need to grow your audience. So don't wait a second longer and head on to squarespace.com for a free trial. And when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/homebymon to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to more new Ikea finds. Now, speaking of statements, getting back to the OMMJÄNGE collection, another piece that's totally worth mentioning is definitely this bench with storage. And wow, this one really slaps. It's like a secret treasure chest with seriously good style. The bold finish and sculptural shape makes it a total eye-catcher, and that hidden storage means you're getting looks and function in one piece. And speaking of fun shapes, just check out these two trays. They just look so stunning. I'm just dying to get these on my next trip to Ikea, especially the fact I especially love the raised edges and the fact that you can hang them on the wall and they look like legit art pieces. Another find from this collection is actually this basket that's shaped like flower. This one's actually made for keeping wood in it, but I can totally see it used for storing so many different things around the home, and maybe hacked into a pendant lamp, which you have to agree would look too cool. And we're finishing off with some gorgeous glasses and bowls from this collection. I mean, just look at these beautifully designed glasses in brown and white. They look so retro, and I'm just dying to get this for my home. There are also matching bowls, which are just perfect for serving snacks or desserts, and a larger soup bowl with lip, which I think would look just perfect for serving salads. These look stunning, and I just can't wait to see them in store. The next Ikea find for 2026 I just have to mention is this nightstand. This one has that understated designer feel, clean lines, soft tones, and just a modern vibe that feels way more expensive than it is. It fits seamlessly in modern bedrooms or styled living spaces, and having a few neutral color options just make it even easier to match any aesthetic. Another new side table that just came out in 2026 is the Borgebi side table, and this one's giving a serious Scandinavian energy, and I'm just all for it. Simple, stylish, and super versatile, plus as the matching coffee table, this one also comes in both plain wood and black. Loving both so much. Now, speaking of old Ikea products that were given new looks in 2026, we have so many new colors of the famous Ikea Jatebo sofa, and I just want to scream because they're just so good. First, and definitely my favorite one, we have it in brown now, and just yay! I'm now dying to get a love seat for my living room in this gorgeous shade. I mean, am I the only one thinking they should have released this color first? It's just so stunning and feels so genuinely MCM and just plain perfect for anyone who loves this style. This sofa now also comes in this beautiful deep blue and deep green, which both look so good, and plus a white version. And I'm just so thankful for this upgrade, since this is a sofa that's going to stay as a bestseller at Ikea for sure. And we're finishing off with another Ikea product that now comes in a new and exciting color. And that is the Tenebra side table that now comes in this cute pale yellow color. I've just always loved this table. It's made out of metal, and the fact that we have it in so many colors is just priceless. And that's a wrap for today. However, there are so many more new products at Ikea this 2026, so we are doing a part 2 definitely next Thursday, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell, allowing all notifications since you don't want to miss that one. Also, all of the products I mentioned today will be linked into the description box, so make sure to check it out. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye!